Hey guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel. It is once again time for a shop tour. As you can see, I'm in normal clothes. That is because we are doing this December, I guess it's New Year's Eve. So here we are at New Year's Eve, but it's going to be for the shop tour December 5th. Lisa, where's my calendar? I don't have my calendar yet, so hopefully we'll have a calendar pretty soon. So let's get right into the shop tour. We talked about last week, John's going to be gone, so that's another reason why we're doing the shop tour early, so we could get it in. But we have some exciting things to show you guys today. So first of all, two NC MX-5 diffs headed out to customers. So 2 down, 2 to go. As you can see, full restorations, glass beaded, painted. These got some new torsons installed. Looking really, really good. So the two big things for this week, guys. The first big thing I'm really excited about is, look at this. The shop is reconfigured and it is wide open on this side. And all of a sudden we have gained massive amounts of room by rearranging the shelves, putting those shelves over there, moving some of that stuff to the back shelves. You can see that the BMW is all the way down here, out of the way, and the ultimate plan is going to be for when the Camaro is here, it will sit here. So I have lots of good room to work on the GT1 car. Those cars need a lot of room. Doug Weaver's car is sitting here for now, but we're going to use this shelf over here for the Camaro stuff. A little more rearranging and organizing to do, and then I can keep customer bits and pieces on this shelf as well. So really excited about how much room I gained. As you can see, Eric has moved out. So here we are, the 1st of January. He's not going to be in the shop anymore because he doesn't have a race car. But check this, guys. The Camaro was completely wrapped. I could not be happier with how gorgeous this turned out. I don't know about you, but I'm a big fan of this body over the Cadillac body. I think it just looks really nice, much more aerodynamic like we talked about. But as you can see, John did an amazing job wrapping this car. Lots of little details. We still have the stickers, you know, the SCCA stickers and the Super Tour stuff to put on. But I think all I've got left on my list is the splitter supports, the jab rock under the nose, and then a final corner weight and alignment. But man, this thing looks good. I could not be happier with that. So we're looking good here. So because this shop tour is actually being filmed just a couple of days after last week's shop tour, there's not a whole lot else to show you guys except for the reconfigured shop. I mean, it hasn't been like this since we first turned this building into a shop, which was right at 10 years ago. So kind of shuffled the engine crates down here, made a nice area for the fuel, modified the shelf over here, and then have all of my MX-5, my NC MX-5 engine stuff over here. So we've still got room for a bunch of extra stuff. So lots of room, which is kind of something that I really enjoy. And when we moved everything down, I was able to reconfigure everything for the BMW as well. So I love it. Hope you guys are going to have a great New Year's Eve. Be safe. I hope you were safe because this is going to be after New Year's Eve. So here we are in the first week of January. That's what I'm supposed to be saying. So we're going to start pounding out some serious jobs. I've got engines to build, more cars going on. Doug Weaver's car has to be ready for COTA the 1st of February. And the Camaro will go to Sebring, and then we'll have in a couple weeks, we'll have a debrief on how that all went. So that's where we're at, guys. Like I said, hope you had a good New Year's Eve. Thanks for watching. And I appreciate all the comments every week as well. Take care.